everybody. I'm Sasha, and I'm with Ruhl Construction and Asher Homes. And we know that building your own home can be kind of a daunting process. So today we're actually here to make your life a little bit easier. I'm going to share with you how you can build your own custom home in Tulsa. And you're going to be surprised, it's a lot easier than you think. And so I'm here today with my friend Kyle. And Kyle, you've been doing mortgages in Tulsa for quite some time, right?
Yeah, Sasha, thanks for having me. I have. I think I'm going on about 17 years right now in the Oklahoma market, so very excited to be in the mortgage industry and taking care of clients for that long.
Really? You're showing your age.
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
So you are quite ingrained in Tulsa, is that
correct? Yeah, Tulsa native, families here, love the community, love helping out, everyone as much as we can. Mortgages are fun, so we try to make that felt throughout the process.
Helping people build their dream homes is a lot of fun.
Right.
And I get to see a lot of that process because I get to take all these photos and see the development.
Right.
And so we have really worked hard to make sure that our clients have the absolute best process.
Yes.
And some people are a little confused about how the construction loan process works.
Right.
And so we partnered with you guys, First Oklahoma Bank, to make the process as easy as possible for our customers.
Correct.
So why don't you share with them, how have you done that for our clients?
Yeah, so it's just as simple as just an initial phone call with my team. We have so much experience in the construction side of it that really transitions to you as we answer your questions and make sure you're comfortable with it all. So we take pride in that and making sure everything is smooth on that side of it.
So some people ask, do I have to pay 2 mortgages while I'm waiting for my house to get built?
That is a common question, actually. And so with First Oklahoma Bank, we have many products to help you through that process. So there are other avenues to proceed to help that with the second mortgage possibly coming into play to pay that off sooner so you can build.
But we've kind of worked out a deal where our clients don't actually close on their construction loans until their home is complete. Isn't that right?
That's very nice, actually. And so with Ruhl Construction, they actually carry the construction note themselves. And so what that does for you as the client is it opens up a waiting period, so to speak, where you don't have to do anything immediately. It's just a standard purchase transaction once your custom home is built. So that makes it an easy transition for you towards the end, and we can manage that over that build phase.
Right, so our clients give us a small deposit. It's usually 3%.
Correct.
And then they are pre-approved through you guys.
Yes.
They will know their full budget, but they don't close until their home is complete and they're ready to move in.
Yep, so they have some break-even time in there to help it out.
That's right. And another benefit we provide our clients is rental homes. So we allow you the opportunity to sell your house and not have to worry about ending a lease or move out dates or anything like that. So Ruhl Construction's really gone above and beyond because we've been doing this so long that we have found all those little places where people have questions or concerns, and we've tried to take those off of their plate.
For sure.
Well, Kyle, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah,
if you guys want more information about how you can get a loan to build the custom home of your dreams, please call our friend Kyle Bradley at First Oklahoma Bank. You'll be able to find his information on our website under the pre-approval section.
Thank you. Let's talk.